Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Monique here for anybody who is new and for anybody who isn't new. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through how I use aloe vera as somewhat of a pre-poo, but not really, and how I use it to condition my hair. So aloe vera has so many health benefits, whether it's for skin, health, hair, pretty much all of the above. The way I use aloe vera is on my hair. I have never tried it on my skin, only for like sunburns and stuff like that, but I recently started using aloe vera for my hair and I have been seeing amazing results. So I just had to share with you guys. I know you hear of these things as like home remedies or whatever you want to call it, but I did a treatment last week and my hair has been pretty much in a bun this whole entire week, and my hair has just been feeling so soft, so moisturized, and it's like it has not dried out since. So it only takes a few easy steps. I'm going to kind of walk you through the process of how I got this aloe vera juice, and then we're going to jump in on how to apply it and the rest of the steps to get your hair feeling super moisturized, soft, and just amazing. As you can see here, I already started cutting into this aloe leaf. You can cut into it and just wrap the end of it and put it back into the fridge. I went ahead and washed it and I'm going to start cutting. You want to cut the middle parts of the aloe vera leaf. You want to cut off the end and then just cut from the middle, and you do not want to use the top tip either. You're then going to start cutting off the spikes from the side, you know, the pokey parts. You just want those out of the way and put those to the side and just throw them away. Once that is finished, you want to slice down the middle and get it ready to cut the inside parts out. And then you can pull it apart and see how satisfying the gel is in between. You're going to want to take a spoon for this next step and just start scooping out the insides of the aloe vera leaf. You could take a knife, but I do not recommend that whatsoever because the aloe vera is so slippery and slimy, you will probably cut yourself. So definitely just take a spoon and start scraping out the inside into a bowl. This is the most effective way, and it's the easiest way where you're not going to hurt yourself. I have seen a lot of people on YouTube saying that the aloe vera, I don't know if it's the outside, the inside, or what, but they are saying that it makes their hands itch or have a slight burning sensation. I didn't feel this at all, so I guess just do it at your own risk. Wear gloves if you want to. And if not, I don't think the burning or itching is that bad. So now it's time to blend. I'm going to take my little food processor and take all the insides of the aloe vera leaf and put it inside. Don't do it like me and put your blade in first. As you can tell, the blade is not inside the food processor. Don't forget the blade. You're going to want to put it on the chop setting and then just pulse. You can tell here that I am just pulsing every so often. You don't want to completely blend this. Pulsing will do just fine. Once this is finished, you'll notice that it's kind of like a foamy consistency. That means it's done. You're then going to either want to take some kind of pantyhose or a strainer. I don't have a strainer with fine enough holes, and I also didn't have pantyhose, so I took some tights. And these tights honestly were a little too compact for this, but it got the job done. I would take, you know, those little socks that you use when trying on shoes and use those instead. This is just so satisfying to watch because it is so jelly and just such an odd consistency. And just keep squeezing because you want as much juice as possible. So before I get started applying this to my hair, I'm just going to list a few benefits of aloe vera and how it does help your hair. So I have these written down here so I don't butcher anything. Aloe vera can help repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It leaves your hair feeling smooth and shiny, which I completely agree with. It promotes hair growth. This is the main reason why I'm using the aloe vera, not only because of that, but also because it leaves my hair super soft and shiny, but it definitely does make your hair grow. It prevents an itchy scalp, and I know a lot of people suffer from itchy and flaky scalps. Aloe vera can definitely help combat that. And a lot of times when you have an itchy scalp, you're itching that, which is creating dandruff, and aloe vera can help with dandruff as well. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C, E, and amino acids, which are all great for your hair. And then lastly, you can take this aloe vera juice that you are going to see and mix this with other oils such as essential oils to make it smell better, hair growth oils, olive oil, coconut oil, just so many different types of oils, and apply this to your hair. I highly recommend you guys doing the same, just testing out plain aloe vera first and seeing what that does to your hair, and then adding more oils in to see what it's going to do for you. I always just recommend going in with something like this on its own first and then building to meet your hair needs. So when I bought the aloe vera, you could see in the video, I just bought it like this. I bought this from my local grocery store, Sprouts. You can get these at any grocery store. A lot of people get their aloe vera leaves from Walmart. So I used that to turn it into this juice that I have here. I still have it in this, you know, this little measuring cup, but I will say some people don't like the smell of aloe vera. I have been hearing that online quite a bit. I honestly don't think it smells. I've had this in my fridge for a couple of days now, and it really does not smell any different from when I opened the aloe vera leaf and started scooping it out and, you know, doing all of those steps. So I personally think this is fine to leave in your fridge and save for another day. I'm going to take this spray bottle and just kind of re-wet my hair to reactivate it and then apply the aloe vera. A couple other comments I wanted to make were when I was watching these videos, I was seeing a lot of people cutting open the aloe vera and just kind of taking part of the leaf and rubbing it on your hair. You can do that, but this is going to leave a lot of white residue, and it's going to make rinsing the aloe vera out of your hair that much harder because you're going to be picking little chunks out of your hair, and you could be left with white residue, you know, for the week to come while you're styling, and you know, you want to do what you can to avoid the residue. Once this is fully applied to my hair, I'm going to leave the aloe vera sit on my head for about 30 minutes before I rinse it off. Aloe vera juice also works as an amazing detangler. Putting this on my hair was just, the amount of slip it gives you is just amazing. That's the biggest reason why I would say to use it as a pre-poo, because it's going to eliminate so much damage when you're going through in the shower trying to wash and detangle your hair. It just makes the process 10 times easier. Okay, you could apply this a couple of ways. You could take this juice, put it in the palm of your hand, and then apply it to your hair. That's one way you could do it. The second way is you could put it in a spray bottle and spray this into your hair. Personally, the first time I tried this, I just kind of, you know, because it is kind of, it's still a little stringy like, so it's not completely like water. So you're going to be able to pull it out of the container or whatever cup, bowl you have it in, and apply it to your hair. I found that that was the easiest. I also tried applying this to one half of my hair when it was dry and one half when it was wet. I 100% recommend putting this on wet hair. Not only do many YouTubers say this, but I did try it myself, and wet hair definitely is the easiest way of application. I feel like I had better results on the wet side, and I just, you know, would recommend that personally. Okay, so the 30 minutes is up and I actually did go ahead and rinse this out of my hair. My hair is feeling extremely moisturized and extremely soft. I was able to easily comb through my hair once I, rinsed it out, and my hair is just feeling better than ever. I recommend doing this at least once a week, whether or not it's for pre-poo, for conditioning, whatever other uses you may seem fit for aloe vera for your hair. You don't have to do it exactly how I did it. You can add oils, you can tweak it to fit your hair needs pretty easily. I will say the day after doing this, I had a really great wash and go. I'll go ahead and add pictures so you guys can see the results. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have tried this or have tried something similar that worked on your hair. I'll see you guys on Friday, and thanks again. Bye.